This is a Hampton Bay Grayton 2 ceiling fan that I installed here in the grooming area of our vet clinic that I work at, see, grooming stuff. And anyway, put this in here a few days ago. It's flush mounted, as you can see, and it is installed without the light kit. As far as how it works, it doesn't wobble, but it it moves very little air for a 42-inch ceiling fan. On the other side, we have the Minuet 3, and it moves more air than this one does. But I'll let you see for yourselves. There's Calvin. He's kind of shy, but whatever. Well, he's not really shy. Calvin! Calvin! He's ignoring me. He wants me to open that door, but he can't go up there. And this is medium, of course. And both these fans in here are on high all the time usually. That's just what I left them on, and no one ever changed it, so I guess they're good on high. There you go. It's, it's cheap, like the other fans installed in here, but it does its job. So it's good enough.